Ordinary hollow core bifold doors don't have to be plain anymore. I removed the doors from the closet and took off the hardware and filled the holes with wood filler. I primed and painted both the doors. I measured 6 inches from the top and drew a line. Then I measured 2 inches from each side. Using a speed square made marking easy. I marked 2 panels. The top one was 36 inches long and the bottom was 25 inches long with a 6-inch gap between them. Using half-round molding, I measured and cut each piece of molding using my miter box. Each corner was cut at a 45-degree angle. I found it was easier to measure and cut each piece as I went along than to pre-cut. That way the measurements were exact. I used wood glue and a brad nailer to attach the molding to the door. I primed and painted the molding and put one more coat of paint over the entire door. I rehung the doors. Using white caulk, I sealed each edge of the molding, smoothing it with my finger. I added new updated hardware, measuring in from the edge 4 inches. I drilled new holes through the door and screwed the handles in place. What a difference it makes! I hope this inspires you to try a simple update in your home.